Hello everybody, this is Jose from City of Cars. Today I wanted to do the walk around video on our 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat Widebody. Now this is a jailbreak edition, absolutely a beautiful car in the B5 blue. As you can see, it is pretty much a brand new car, so not really going to have to apologize for any imperfections on the exterior or interior of the vehicle. Car is in showroom-like condition. Absolutely beautiful car. You do get two sets of keys, including the infamous red key. You unlock, lock, back trunk release, and of course, remote start, which let's go ahead and hear that. Definitely a beautiful sounding vehicle. It is wrapped with P0 Pirellis all season. Obviously the SRT Brembo brakes. I believe they also went for the Alcantara steering wheel with the red demonic seats, so let's go ahead and take a peek at those. It does look like they did some window tinting. I'm sure that's not legal, so if it's not legal in your state, we'd be more than happy to remove the window tint or sell it as is, whichever way you prefer, but obviously it does look like there's some heavy tint there. Looking through the interior, obviously the red demonic seats with the Hellcat engraved into them, definitely beautiful to look at. Memory seating, automatic headlights. Let's go ahead and climb up inside here. Like I said, Alcantara steering wheel feels really good in your hands. Your typical Hellcat stuff here, obviously your SRT pages are all going to be there as well. Launch control. Let's go ahead and actually start it up. Current mileage on the car is 2,757 miles on the odometer. Kind of walk you through some of these pages. Definitely some cool stats there. You do have heated, ventilated, heated steering wheels. Or heated steering wheel, not wheels. The other thing it obviously should have is the ability to pair your phone to it, so you can do the projection manager, so you can project your smartphone to the screen itself if you want to use Waze or Google Maps. Let's go ahead and turn down the air conditioning here. Back seats, again, all in really good shape. Let's zoom out a little bit. So you can see this one's already kind of put down, so it gives you additional storage room if you needed to. The nice thing, obviously, you got the jailbreak emblem kind of engraved in. Look inside the glove box. Plenty of storage space. Does not look like the manual's in there though. Nice little Easter egg there. Dodge Brothers, designed in Detroit. Looks like this car comes with some Hot Wheels. As well as two USB connections and an aux port. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Oh, and it does have an Alpine stereo system. Let's go ahead and pop the hood and look at that Hellcat motor. As you can see, like new condition. Love to see obviously the orange paint there, giving it that classic look, and with that B5 contrast, that just looks absolutely gorgeous. Another plant right there. Yeah, you got a couple of other Easter eggs here, so take a peek at the trunk. And we'll go ahead and fold this seat back up. Actually, you might have to move the seat a little bit. Obviously, you do have power driver and I believe passenger seats. We'll double check that, but obviously that can just fold back up. While we're here, it does have heated rear seats as well as two USB for the people in the back. Like I mentioned, this car is pretty much so new, they haven't even taken the tags off it. Capless fuel system. Take inside here, oh, there's the owner's manual, as well as your wheel lock key, battery, a little bit of extra storage space. Obviously, being a Charger, you got plenty of trunk room, as well as your safety release handle. And just to confirm, sure enough, there are power seats in the passenger side as well. Does have the blind spot monitoring system. Always comes in handy. But absolutely beautiful car. Now let's go ahead and kind of put this on the road for a little bit so you can kind of see it rolling down the street, and we'll go from there. Obviously you do have a backup camera as well as rear parking sensors. Go ahead and put it in drive. Just the seats a little bit here so we can kind of get a little bit better view. Gotta love the way that hood looks. Definitely makes you, and just the sound of it, you definitely know you're in something a little special here. And that Alcantara steering wheel does really feel good. Gotta love that supercharger whine. Beautiful day today. Truck right here, so obviously you can't have too much fun, but get a little bit of gas, and obviously all the power in the world. Definitely a very fun car to drive. Handling is superb, very reactive, great steering feel. Go ahead and park it alongside of the building here, and we'll do kind of just one last walk around the vehicle. But obviously this one is for sale and ready for immediate delivery, so if you are interested in a wide body Charger Hellcat, please give us a call. Obviously, we'd love to earn your business. And if you have any additional questions, make sure to reach out, and we'd love to assist you in any way we can.